Hello, in Blender community. I am in the middle of making a car scissor lift, and I got as far as I can make the animation work, but the animation is not perfect because when I raise up here and I want the pistons to follow, it starts kind of flicking off like the piston in the cylinder flicks off. But if I do a rendering and I watch the rendering, then the piston goes like all the way out of the cylinder, halfway the rendering. I will show you that one. It's here. As you can see now, the piston leaves the cylinder and it's also flicking. I don't know how to get over with this problem. Maybe some people in the community knows how to. I've been using consistence to hook on the cylinder and the piston, and I used the track to constrain also to follow each other path, but they're not really following. And second thing is that I don't know how to hook on to the bottom platform. So if I do the animation you see here, I made it a bit tricky so it looks in the video, in the finished video, that it's doing like it's supposed to, but as you see here on the side profile, it's clearly not doing. It's supposed to hook onto here, and I have no idea how to hook it on. I used both sides constrained, and I used pairing, bone, and all sorts of things, but nothing will work for me. Maybe you guys know. So thank you from here.